Hello everyone. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 4. In this video, we will show the business process for our startup, which we name it for the business idea is Smart Hydration Kiosk. This is weekend pop-up stall at hiking spots or recreational spot around Klang Valley that provides cold water and drinks to hikers and also joggers. Our goal is to demonstrate how we create value, deliver it to customers, and grow this business step by step. Okay. But first, allow me to introduce my group members, which I call our business partners. First, me, myself, Muhammad Yazid, and then Hairi, also Faris, Uze, Emilia, Rahim, and Gangesh. So there are 7 of us who will be running this business. So enjoy the video as we go through step by step on how to construct our business successfully. Let's go.
Hi, I'm Abdurrahim. On this slide, we're going to talk about the problem, which is no access to cold water after hiking in Klang Valley. So every weekend, thousands of people hike at popular trails like Setia Alam Hill, Bukit Gasing, Broga Hill, and Kiara Hill, and so on lah. So after hiking, they feel so tired and thirsty themselves. But there's usually there's no access to cold water or isotonic drinks nearby. Okay, some stall does exist, but often it's too far from the hiking trails, or the store open too late, like 6 p.m. So this problem actually reduce the hiking experience for the hiker and even risk dehydration for them. So it is a clear gap in the market that we can fill, and we can provide a solution for this. Thank you.
Have you heard about kiosks? Yes, that is going to be our solution, where we will be introducing our Smart Hydration Kiosk. So this will be a portable stall where it is easy to set up during peak hours, festivals, anytime, anywhere. We are offering cold water, isotonic drinks, and seasonal drinks like coconut water for refreshing. What makes it different to the digital and eco-friendly twist? We use a simple QR code. QR and scanning is like everywhere now, right? So just let's use the QR code for a loyalty program. We give points and rewards, and we encourage people to return the bottles to us for a discount. This combination makes our kiosk not just a stall, but a community hydration hub, which is a kick-ass idea.
Step 1. Identify our customers. Our main customers are hikers, joggers, families who come during weekends, and cycling groups who stop at trailheads. Step 2. Gather resources. To start, we only need a cooler box, ice, stock of water, and isotonic drinks, a foldable table with shade, and a QR code system that can be managed using Google Forms. These resources are low cost and easy to prepare, under 500 ringgit in total.
Step 3 is to operate the store. We operate during the business hours between 6 and 10 in the morning, when hikers return from their climb. Locations like Setia Alam Hill, Bukit Broga, and Bukit Gasing are perfect because of high foot traffic. Step 4 is selling and engaging. We sell cold water and isotonic drinks at affordable prices, but also add value by engaging customers through the QR loyalty program, hydration tips, and building recognitions on social media.
Step 5 is our Eco Return program. Customers who return empty bottles get a small discount, which reduces waste and promotes sustainability. Step 6 is revenue generation. We earn from drink sales, seasonal products like coconut water, small merchandise such as reusable bottles and towels, and in the future, sponsorships from gyms or fitness brands. This mix of revenue streams makes the business sustainable and scalable.
Okay, and now we move further for future growth, expansion and partnership. Looking ahead, the business can expand from one location to multiple hiking trails across Klang Valley. We can build partnership with gym, yoga studios and sport shop for co-branding and sponsorship. Over time, we can even automate the kiosk using vending machine powered by solar energy. This growth potential makes Smart Hydration Kiosk more than a side hustle, but a scalable business model.
Okay, so that's all for our video. In summary, Smart Hydration Kiosk solve a simple but real problem. It requires very low startup capital, less than 500, but has also strong demand and high potential for growth. By combining convenience, digital loyalty, and eco-friendly practice, we create a unique and sustainable business. Thank you for watching, and remember our motto: stay hydrated, stay healthy.